everyone! Welcome to my channel! I'm Alexa. Today we're making pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
To start, I'm going to sift my flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and baking powder. This is to make sure there are no clumps. If you don't have a sifter, you can use a wire whisk or a fork. When you're sifting, you can push the ingredients through using a rubber spatula or a spoon, or you can tap the sides of it with your hands. If your sifter has a stand, you should tap the sides of your sifter after it looks like all the ingredients have fallen through to make sure no ingredients are stuck. Today I'm not using a sifter with a stand, so I don't need to do this step. Next, I'm going to put the eggs and vanilla in the bowl in my stand mixer. I'm going to mix this a little to scramble the eggs. Now that they're scrambled, I'm going to add in my oil. I'm going to mix this until it looks combined. Next, I'm going to add in the brown sugar and granulated sugar. I'm going to mix this until they're fully mixed in. Ingredients are climbing the sides of my bowl, so I'm going to quickly scrape them down using my rubber spatula. add in my pumpkin. I'm going to mix it until it's incorporated. Some of the pumpkin isn't mixing in good, so I'm going to scrape it down my bowl again. My batter looks great, but I'm going to scrape down my bowl again to make sure. Now I'm going to add in my sifted dry ingredients from before. Some ingredients are sticking to the sides of my bowl, so I'm going to scrape them off of there. I'm going to mix this a little longer to combine those unmixed ingredients. Next, I'm going to add in my chocolate chips and mix until they're evenly mixed in. My pumpkin batter looks great, so let's move on to the next step. Now I'm going to scoop out my cookies. To do this, I'm using a 3-tablespoon ice cream scoop. You can use a measuring cup if you'd prefer. Place them 3 to 4 inches apart because they do spread. Next, I'm going to put my cookies into the oven. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My cookies took 12 minutes to bake. When they're done, they should be golden brown on the bottom. Put them on a cooling rack so they can cool. And my pumpkin chocolate chip cookies are done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!